how to change your D-pad on a Gamesir G7 Pro. So this thing or this little part of your controller. So first, you're gonna have to turn off and unplug the controller. Disconnect the Gamesir G7 Pro from your PC or Xbox or whatever you connected it to before changing the D-pad, since this can avoid accidental input and whatever. But once that is done, you can go ahead and remove the front plate of the controller. So it should look something like this. It is going to be magnetic, so it's going to be easily popped off. So gently lift off the magnetic faceplate from the front of the controller. It can look like this. Some does look like this for some reason. So it's separated as three parts or as a whole part. Pretty much depends on what controller you have. Then you can just pull out the D-pad, which is what's being done over here. So you can see the D-pad is being pulled out. So just pull it out of your controller. It's very simple. You don't have to add too much force. But once you have done that, you can just replace the D-pad with your new one. This is the whole set, but of course you just put in the actual D-pad that you want. So line up the replacement D-pad with a slot, then press it down until it sits flat and secure. So make sure it doesn't wobble before putting the whole faceplate back in. But once that is done, you can test the D-pad in game or PC, reconnect the controller and test up, down, left, and right on whatever you're using it in. And that's pretty much it. That's how you change your D-pad on your Gamesir. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.